Hey guys, are you ready to learn about a cream that prepares your skin for radiation treatment? And it also rebuilds the skin from any radiation damage that radiation may cause? Well, stay tuned. I'm about to review a new skin cream called RejuvaSkin. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about RejuvaSkin Skin Recovery Cream. This is a cream that has been specifically formulated for patients going through radiation treatments. It's designed for use during all phases of radiation treatment, and they describe it as a super moisturizer. Now, this product is a moisturizing cream that helps build, soothe, and repair the skin. It is clinically tested, allergy tested, and it is safe for sensitive skin. So what are the key ingredients? The key ingredients in this product are, first of all, calendula, or calendula, like I like to call it. It's a botanical, but it has been clinically tested and shown to actually delay radiation damage from radiation treatments. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is a great ingredient to help keep moisture, retain moisture in the skin. It also has aloe vera, which they feel like helps with the moisture as well and to delay radiation damage. But there are some studies now that have compared aloe vera to other ingredients like calendula. They don't feel like it really does much, but it is a natural botanical that we used for years in radiation oncology. That was actually what we recommended everybody use when I first started. But now that we're testing it, we're not showing that it really does a whole lot in delaying the injury that radiation causes. But it is a great botanical that is included in this. But the secret sauce for this product is their proprietary blend of bamboo, pea, and glucosamine. Now, this proprietary blend of ingredients is proven to be an active precursor to collagen formation. And what that means is it's a key structural component in building and strengthening and repairing the skin. So this is the secret sauce that this product has, is this bamboo pea glucosamine blend that no other product that I have reviewed has. It is this proprietary blend that strengthens, builds, and repairs the skin. So they recommend that you start using this product 2 weeks before you start your radiation treatments, because they want to strengthen your skin before you start getting any treatment that's going to potentially break the skin down. They don't give really any other usage instructions other than to start using it 2 weeks before you begin radiation treatments. But like any cream that you use for radiation treatments, you're going to want to use it at least daily. You don't want to use it within 4 hours before your radiation treatments. I typically recommend that products be used twice a day after your treatment, and then again before you go to bed. And you can use this as often as you need to. So let's take a look at this product. So it comes in a tube like this. This is a 3.38 ounce tube. It is a white cream. Now, I got this online. It came sealed. I took the seal off before the review, so you can see what it looks like. It is a cream. Has a very light scent to it. Actually feels real good going on. Very good going on. It's a little on the greasy side, actually. But not as greasy as some other creams that I've reviewed. But it is a little greasy. But it has a nice feel to it. It has a nice skin feel to it. Okay, so let's go over any safety concerns. Now, first, you don't want to use this on any open skin. This is for closed skin only. It's for external use only. Cannot use this internally at all. Their product says to not use within 1 hour of radiation treatment. Now, I'm assuming that means before. You don't want to use it within 1 hour before radiation treatments, because typically most things are okay to use after your treatment, because this product is fairly greasy. So you actually want to try, I would probably push that out to the 4-hour window for this product because it is greasy. And you also, it says that you don't want to use this product on children under the age of 3. So no real young children for this product. Now, how can you get this product? This product I've seen is only available online. It is fairly expensive when you compare this product to other products of its type. Now, this product comes in a 3.38 ounce tube. One tube of this product is $29.95. Now, typically, and they say on their website, it's going to take 3 to 5 tubes of this to get through a standard course of radiation treatments, because they want you to start using this 2 weeks before you even start your treatment. So you are really going to use 3 to 5 tubes of this if you use this for the entire course of your treatment. And you will end up spending upwards of $80 to $119 for this product if you need to buy that amount. So this is fairly expensive when it's compared to other products of its type, but this product does have that secret sauce proprietary blend that none of the other products that I've reviewed have. So what are the pros of this product? The pros of this product, one, it has a very light scent. Actually, it's kind of like no scent. It has no scent, so which is great for those of us who have gone through chemotherapy and you can smell everything. So this is great for oncology patients. It is safe for sensitive skin, which is great. And you can actually use this on eczema. Because it's safe for sensitive skin, it can be used on eczema, for sunburns. You can also use it for very, very dry, damaged skin. So the cons, I think the biggest con of this product is the price. When compared to other products of this type, it is about almost twice the cost. Most radiation creams come in a container that's about 6 ounces. So this is almost half of what a typical container would cost for the same price. So that is really the only con of this product. And maybe that it's a little greasy. Some people may find this a little greasy for them, but those would be the cons that I would remark on for this product. Now, would I recommend this product? I definitely would recommend this product. I think it's a great product. Honestly, I personally don't mind greasy. And I love things that don't have a scent because I am someone who is scent sensitive. So for me, this is a winner chicken dinner because it doesn't have a scent. So yeah, definitely I would recommend this, and I would recommend that you use this as instructed. Start it 2 weeks before your treatment and then use it daily during your radiation treatments and then after, as long as your skin is intact. So this has been my review of RejuvaSkin Skin Recovery Cream. It is available online. So hopefully this review was helpful for you. If so, please like this video and share it with someone who may benefit from it.